Tough economic times are coming and you might want to protect yourself. This is according to Wall Street veteran Peter Grandich. He has over 40 years of experience across advisory, portfolio management, hedge funds, and is a well-known speaker. Mr. Grandich warns that right now, in these uncertain economic times, you'd be wise to put together a financial Noah's Ark, if you will, to protect yourself in these uncertain economic times. And I quote, "Today, I'm issuing the most urgent forecast of my professional career. It's no longer a question of if, but when. Within 3 to 5 years at the most, I predict America will be struggling through its worst ever economic, social, and political era. It'll make the Great Depression look like a walk in the park." Wow. So why does he feel this way? Mr. Grandich feels strongly that we're facing 5 serious issues that will lead the United States to a dire situation even greater than the Great Depression of 1929. Now, this video isn't just about doom and gloom. Later in the video, I'll outline what he advises to put in your financial ark. Stay tuned. Here's what Mr. Grandich says. Number 1, government debt levels are not sustainable. We're looking at a $34 trillion national debt with interest growing at another $1 trillion every 100 days. Paying the interest alone is becoming a challenge, and even the IMF cautioned about it. Number 2, an increasing retirement and aging crisis. Peter Grandich says that 65% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. They're going to need to work later into life, and they'll need more support. This will be an economic strain and struggle, but also a demographic challenges with fewer young people around to support an aging population. Not to mention that Social Security is quickly running out of money. Number 3, we are facing an all-out immigration invasion. He says the economic cost of all this is huge and it's paralyzing major American cities. Our government really needs to address the border crisis. Number 4, the challenge with BRICS. The emergence of the BRICS nations presents challenges for the United States because these nations collectively represent a significant portion of the world's population and GDP. They're also looking to collectively move away from the US dollar. Number 5, incapable government. It's clear that our political parties cannot work together to fix or address any of the issues America is currently facing. On top of that, both the Republican and Democrat parties are moving further and further apart, taking much more extreme left and right positions. Those are the 5 key reasons why we need to basically build up a financial safety net to protect ourselves and to secure our money situation. Grandich says the government has 2 options, either increase taxes or reduce services and spending. Either way, you'll need to rely more on yourself financially. You can't count on the government to help you when times get tough. So, how can you secure your financial future amid all this uncertainty? Number 1, live smart, live free. Cut out unnecessary expenses and stick to a reasonable budget. Being financially independent starts with living within your means and managing your money carefully. Try not to depend on others. Take full control of your financial future for yourself. Number 2, avoid debt. Debt can really weigh you down financially, so avoid taking on debt whenever possible. If you already have debt, make paying it off a priority so that you can become debt-free. With high interest rates, debt can quickly become unmanageable. Number 3, protect what you've earned. Making a return on your money is important, but protecting the money you've already earned, especially right now, is even more important. Focus on safeguarding your assets and investments from market ups and downs and economic instability. Number 4, the golden opportunity. During uncertain economic times, gold is valued as a safe haven investment. Consider putting some of your money into gold, which has historically held its value over time. With major countries like China and foreign central banks buying up gold, it's a smart move to have gold in your portfolio as well. Number 5, mining for success. Keep an eye out for mining company stocks because as global demand rises for valuable metals like gold, silver, and even copper, mining stocks are experiencing a resurgence. With mining becoming more difficult and costly and supply getting tighter, Metal prices may continue to increase, presenting opportunities for profit. As of right now, gold and silver and mining companies appear to be in strong uptrends. The main idea is building financial security by living within your means, getting out of debt, protecting your savings, and making wise investments, especially in safe assets, and potential profit opportunities in the beaten down mining companies. Protecting the money you have is crucial. Grandich says that right now, capital preservation is more important than capital appreciation. He also believes that many in Washington, the financial industry, and the overly optimistic Wall Street crowd either can't see the real economic trends happening or they're ignoring them. Our leaders are dropping the ball, so Grandich says people need to take action themselves before it's too late. Ultimately, it's better to play it safe than to risk losing everything. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching. See you in another video.